Welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like my videos. Welcome to the world of Mughlai cuisine. Today I'll share the Kolkata style mutton biryani. So please note down the ingredients and let's get started. So we'll start by frying an onion. I have taken a large onion and fry it till crispy and golden brown. When it turns golden brown, take them out and set them aside. Take 2 large potatoes, cut them into 2 halves, add ginger paste, garlic paste, curd, salt and a pinch of color. Now give them a good mix. Now heat a fry pan with little oil and put the potatoes into it. Cook them until it starts leaving oil. Keep the flame medium to low. Cook these potatoes in the same oil for approx 5 minutes. A pinch of red chilli powder, I should have added it at the time of marination. Now add in a glass of water and 2 tablespoons of rose water. Give it a good mix. Now finally cover and cook until they turn tender and soft. Please keep the flame medium to low. Make sure they have turned tender and soft. You can use a toothpick and check. If they are done, set them aside. So let's marinate our meat now. For that I have used 2 spoonfuls of ginger paste, 3 spoonfuls of garlic paste. My garlic is too runny, so I am using a little more. 3 teaspoonfuls of curd, 1 spoon of salt, red chilli powder. Now give it a good mix. Use a good amount of ginger and garlic paste. Now heat a cooker and add 1 cup of oil. Add the marinated mutton into it and give it a good mix using spatula. Now cover with a lid and cook until the meat turns tender and soft. Not cook the meat on a high flame. Cook until one whistle for high flame and then cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a lower flame. Open the lid and check if the meat are tender and soft or not. If the meat are done, then start cooking until it starts leaving oil. It should have enough oil, approx half a cup of oil, you can see. This oil is very necessary for a good biryani. Now let's move towards our rice. Here I have added whole garam masala in the water. There's cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, mace and bay leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of salt into it. Cover and let it boil. Once it boils, open the lid and add in the rice. This rice I have soaked for 2 to 3 hours. Add into the boiling water. Give one good stir. Cover again and cook until it starts boiling again. Meanwhile, we'll add garam masala powder into our potatoes and meat. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder and the onions that we have fried we'll add into the potatoes. Keep checking the rice. We need to cook rice 98%. Rest 2% will be done on a dum. Add the potatoes. Now the first layer is meat, second layer is a little rice, third layer is of potatoes, and finally we'll add a little sugar into our rice. 2 teaspoons of sugar and then add it into the cooker. This is the final layer. Add in some milk, approx half a cup. Take a pinch of color. Add 1 tablespoon of rose water. Pour this over our rice. Now sprinkle some biryani garam masala. Approx 1 tablespoon of biryani garam masala. Few drops of meetha itra. This is a biryani essence. Now close the lid and give it a dum on a lowest flame possible. Keep the flame as lowest as possible. After 15 minutes, it's done. Thanks for watching CookTube Ronak. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.